Hello, friends. Tools play an important role in helping people realize ideas and projects. Without tools, many tasks would be impossible or simply too difficult to implement. Today, there are a huge number of such tools and devices for various fields of activity. Let's take a look at them. In order to quickly fertilize the field, the farmer used a Eurocube with liquid fertilizer, which is mounted on a tractor. This electric drill is made from an engine removed from an old washing machine. When the chicken stands on the step, the lid of the feeder opens. This is to prevent rats and other animals from stealing food. With the help of a gasoline engine and a chain bar from a manual chainsaw, you can make just a stationary saw for sawing small firewood. If you need to dry the nuts, if you wish, you can make such drying from a metal bucket and a tube that is hammered into the ground. This is a homemade entertainment attraction that rotates in two directions by inertia. Manufacturing process of a fiberglass helmet. Using this polyurethane form, you can imitate brick or stone on a concrete screed. With the help of mesh, metal fittings, and cement, you can independently make such a fence. Such fencing, strong and durable. This RC vehicle is intended for entertainment purposes. Instead of wheels, plastic bottles are installed on it. This allows it to move through the water and not sink. At first glance, it seems that the candle is in a glass, and when filled with water, it does not go out. In the production of a sledgehammer, a hydraulic press is used. A water pipe is used as a handle. This homemade, wood-fired mini garage oven is made from a cylinder. Visually resembles a famous cartoon character. The device for making cotton candy can be easily made independently from improvised means. We need an angle grinder, slippers as a stand, and a sink where it all needs to be placed. For the production of wax crayons, it is necessary to prepare raw materials and pour them into special cylindrical molds. After hardening, the crayons will be ready. This homemade device is made of wood and is designed to store cigarettes or similar items and dispense them one by one using a mechanical or electronic mechanism. With this tool, you can restore the former state of plastic and leather products. After this procedure, they will look like new. This attachment is powered by the tractor's power takeoff shaft. For such work, a person without equipment would spend a lot of time and effort. Using an old car tire and a tractor, you can clear a clogged drain pipe. The tire in the pipe passes tightly, which makes it possible to clean all the dirt that has collected there. This homemade robot is programmed to play tic-tac-toe, but the programmer did not take into account some points. Because of this, it turns out that the robot is playing dishonestly. This homemade hand tool forms a hole in the ground into which potatoes sit. On this fully automatic line, discs for angle grinders are produced without human intervention. Ordinary cars have only one function, and that is to transport people. When creating this instance, the inventor was guided by one of the mobile games. This vehicle has several functions. It is moving back and forth. There is a lifting function, for example, to change a light bulb in a chandelier, and there is also a drilling rig. In order to quickly chop small firewood, you can independently make such a simple wood splitter from improvised means. This will greatly simplify the work and save time. This is an unusual design decision, which is not often seen in everyday life. To make such an aquarium, you need to cut the front wall of the toilet cistern and glue the glass with a sealant. This line produces and automatically tests incandescent light bulbs. This machine automatically fills the soil into seeding cassettes. After that, seeds will be planted in each cell. These are modern airless car tires that have a non-standard design, and they cannot be punctured. See how accurately the robot fills bottles without spilling a single gram of liquid. To make pots at home, we need a cement solution, which must be evenly applied to the mold using a special tool. After that, you must wait until the solution hardens and apply a dye to give a beautiful look.